Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am gonna show that how to turn on two-step verification on WhatsApp. For these settings you have to open WhatsApp. After opening WhatsApp you have to click at the top three-dot icon here. Then you can see here settings option. Click to settings option. Then you have to scroll down now. Then you have to click account, and here you can see two-step verification option. Click to two-step verification option. For extra security, turn on two-step verification, which will require a PIN when registering your phone number with WhatsApp again. Click to turn on. Then create a 6-digit PIN that you can remember. Then save it, and here you can see the PIN has been set. Two-step verification has been on. You will need to enter your PIN if you register your phone number on WhatsApp again. Friends, that was the video topic. If this video helpful to you, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for getting new notification. I will come with another new exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye my dear friends.